Investing for Beginners: How I Make Millions from Stocks, Full Guide. Imagine you start investing in 1985. At first, everything looks perfect, your money keeps going up and up. Then comes Black Monday. They call it the Monday Massacre. Wall Street has its biggest one-day drop in history. The news spreads like wildfire, panic sets in. Your friends tell you to sell, get out before it's too late, but you don't. You hold. Slowly, the market recovers. Then the tech bubble bursts. The Nasdaq drops nearly 10%. People are terrified. Again, you're urged to sell. Take your profits before you lose everything, still, you hold. Then, the 2008 financial crisis hits. The global economy contracts by 3%, the worst since the Great Depression. This must be the end. But it's not. The market recovers. In fact, it soars. From the lows, it rebounds by 27%, hitting new record highs. Here's the part one didn't mention. That person who started investing in 1985 was me. I was 18 years old. Over the years, the average return was 11.23% per year. If I had only invested $250 per month since then, I would have ended up with over $1.84 million. That's more than 600% return. But between us, I invested a lot more than that. This is the power of long-term investing. So now, let's break it down, step by step, how you can get started today. Start investing today. Click here to get a free stock. Flying money. Step 1. Set up an account, don't get stuck here. It's simpler than think. Today, we'll use the Trading 212 app. I'm using my son's account to show you, mine's too messy with a bunch of free shares. The type of account matters. In the UK, it's called a Stocks and Shares ISA. In the US, it's a Roth IRA. The UK lets you invest up to £20,000 tax-free and withdraw anytime. In the US, the limit is $6,500 and you wait until retirement. Step 2. Deposit funds. Just tap the 3 lines, choose Deposit Funds, and pick your method, Apple Pay, bank transfer, etc. Let's deposit £400 for this demo. Step 3. Get free stocks. I reached out to Trading 212. They're offering a free stock worth up to £100 if you use the code Tilbury when signing up. Invite your friends too, both of you get free shares. Step 4. Build a long-term strategy. Investments go up and down. That's why I love index funds. Think of them like the music charts. The best performing companies, like songs, stay on top. Poor performers get kicked off. The S&P 500, for example, includes giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google. With one fund, you're investing in all of them. To automate this, we'll use a pie. My son has been investing £5 per day into the S&P 500 for 3 months. That's about the price of a coffee. His return so far, 5.03%. To create your own, go to Pies, tap Plus, choose the S&P 500 fund, and select Accumulation. So dividends reinvest. Tap Add to Pie, set your auto-invest amount, and you're done. The projection tool shows your potential. £250 per month for 31 years equals £1.14 million. Over 40 years equals £3.56 million. And about inflation, don't worry. If you invest and adjust over time, inflation won't crush you. Step 5. Picking individual stocks, optional. Most beginners should stick to index funds, but if you want to pick stocks, there are 2 strategies, technical and fundamental. Technical equals charts and patterns, mostly for day traders. Fundamental equals deep analysis, income statements, leadership, brand strength. I prefer fundamentals. I invest for the long term, 2 to 5 years minimum. To find stocks, tap the magnifying glass in the app. Use categories like big tech or popular ETFs. Or view public pies from other users. Let's buy some Tesla. Tap the stock, select market order, buys at current price, enter £400, and hit send buy order. Done. You're now a Tesla shareholder. That's the full system. Account setup. Deposit. Free stock. Long-term strategy. Index funds. Auto investing. Optional individual stocks. Start early, stay consistent, and let compound interest do the magic. Bell Start investing today. Click here to get a free stock. Flying money.